What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to leave a comment in Google Sheets. So let's get right into this. So let's say you're in the specific Google Sheets and you want to either leave a comment to yourself as a reminder to do something, or to a colleague, or whatever. It may be a friend, maybe you're working on a project with them or something, and you want to leave a comment to them. So all you need to do is click into the cell you want to leave a comment for. Let's say this one, right, where it says subscribe to my channel, and you want to tell them to like update this, like, hey, which channel, right? You want to basically right click into it and then click into the comment button itself to make the comment box pop up. Once you do that, you want to then essentially either write the comment itself, basically in the text format, or you can press the @ button and then tag a specific individual directly from there instead, if you're trying to leave a comment to someone. Obviously, as long as they're shared on the file or they're within your network of like wherever you're basically trying to work with, right? Like they can't be an unknown person, right? They must be either like part of your contacts or like shared individuals, etc., etc. But yeah, once you do that, you can basically leave a comment directly to them. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash this up. Guys and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. MoTutorials out. Peace.